We're here at the JW Marriott here in downtown Tampa, Florida, and for the first time ever, I am riding a Mitsubishi elevator. I've always wanted to ride a Mitsubishi elevator my entire life, and now I get to do it today. Oh, I love those chimes. Of course, sir.
25.
25? How are you, ma'am?
I'm with him.
Alright. Anytime.
Going up.
Have a good one.
All right, too. Thanks.
Thank you. Holy crap. These things are freaking amazing. I like these touchscreens though, they're pretty cool. We're gonna take a look up here real quick before we go back down. Look at this view from the 26th floor. Very nice view of downtown Tampa. There's the stadium for the Tampa Bay Lightning. There's some water, I believe that's some river. I think that might be the Hillsborough River, but I'm not sure. Wow, I freaking love these things. And yes, I'm foaming hard over these things right now. Anyways, here's a view of the guest floor. Very nice hotel. I love those chimes. Right back down. Get down this elevator. Get a cab while we're up here. These are very, very nice elevators. Alright, let's go down to 1. Door close button works, we all like that. This car's a little bit bouncy. These things are freaking awesome! Dude, we need to go again. $126. I don't think 27's open, so we're gonna go back down to 1 and end it down there. We're stopping on 25. You're welcome. Thanks.
Going down.
This is 5. All right, have a good one, sir. Thank you.
First floor.
Wow, I'm just speechless right now. Sorry. Alright, we'll let these people go. Wow, these things are just so incredible. I think there are more elevators over here to check out. That's the espresso. We're going on to the restaurant. We're not going to ride that right now. Or ride that at all. We're going to take a look at these elevators. I think this one's sitting here on Pika. These only go up to the conference levels. Going up?
Yes, thank you.
Where are you guys going?
6, please.
6. Alright, sounds good.
Sixth floor.
Wow, these things are just freaking incredible. Have a good one, guys.
Thank you, too.
Now we'll go back down to 1. I'm Garrett Caddy of this elevator. Same as the main guest elevators, these are beautiful elevators. There's our security. Obviously these don't go as fast as the main elevators. Here's your floor indicator. These are your touchscreen buttons. Regular buttons here. I love these buttons.
First floor.
And we're at 1. We're gonna take one ride on these. The 6th floor opens up in front of a waitress station or a host station. Alright, I think this sits on peak up, so those were the elevators here at JW Marriott here in Tampa, and that will be it.